Today I wanted to show you how to modify two basic parts of a Unity template project. First, let's change how our script templates look. Go to Unity Hub, Installs, find the install you want, click the three dots, click Show at Explorer, go to Data, Resources, Script Templates, find the script template you want, New Behavior Script being the most common in my workflow, open it up, modify what you want, save and close. Now when you create a new script in Unity, it's going to use this template. That's cool, but let's do something really useful. If you have something that you always import to Unity, why not make Unity do it for you? Repeat some steps from before, Unity Hub, Installs, three dots, Explorer, Data Resources.
Stop!
Because now we're going to go to the Package Manager, Project Templates. You can see that there is one for each that appears when you create a new project. For now, we'll just modify the 3D one, but it's the same process for each one. Open it up in an archiving tool like 7-zip, com.unity, Package, Project Data Squiggle, Assets. Now just drag in whatever you want in each project and bam, we're done. Now you can pull in stuff you use all the time just once.